Seer, why?
Oh yeah, dear Papa.
Sir?
No, let me come and ask Precious because I mean, it's so weird and then people are talking about it.
Which people? But we've not told anyone.
Oh, you decided not to tell anybody or like?
No, we've not. I don't think. It hasn't been long, so how did you hear, Seer?
You've not told anybody?
No.
Aroma came to me at the hostel the last time. He came to me that he wanted to talk to me.
Aroma came to you?
Yeah, he came to me.
Why would Aroma come to you?
Honestly, I don't know, but that's not the reason why I'm here. He came to me that I should come and talk to you and that you guys are not together. And then looking at how he's talking about this whole issue, I feel like he wants to like do something bad to you.
He wants to do something bad to me?
A person on your bonnet. Because nothing anymore, nah, he doesn't regret anything. And then how I want to see her, I'm like, talk, I'm listening. Precious name Jai. From the way he's talking, I feel like on a boy is not a bed too. Shit.
And then maybe all lose the bets now.
Or lose the bets now.
Yeah, you've also said something.
Because you're so desperate. I'm like, at least say yeah. If it's something small, but me know what didn't come about it. Then you guys will settle it. But from the way you know me see her talk.
So what did you also say?
I'll come and talk to you. That's what I told him. I told him I'll come and talk to him. But then, you see, at that moment, now I mean to me in country and say, or meet me, and just say, become me Adam for Bonnie and I said, so me and I'm say, no, you are my friend. So I'll come and talk to you and tell you his intentions, Precious.
Because me, after I told him everything, I told him that, like, I can't be with him anymore. And then he doesn't want to understand.
Do you know how desperate he is? Don't go back to him, Precious.
Really?
The way he was desperate, no. I was something where I'm the Bema.
See, yeah, it's okay.
What is okay? Oh, Maminka, you can't hold this okay, it's okay.
There's some now, what
Maminka, Madam for now. Oh, my person be a bear bonnie.
I'm the one who left him, so I don't know why he's not the one who has left me.
That's the best decision you've ever made. I did why you nanya, Sadia Bakwa, why you no. So narrow Majai. Aroma. Precious the Saudi. Me, I know him. Let me, Mami Kasa.
I've heard you. That's why I'm not talking plain because I know you know him. So, if me, I wasn't even considering going back to him or anything. The conversation I having a cry.
You don't even have to consider. And the damn one at the end, why are so desperate? Then,
hey,
then.
But how will you know?
And I may be so no. Cause there was a bomb in chain coming. Me, I feel like a bet too. A bet. To whom they are all Precious.
I will not go back.
If you go back, me no friendship and it's over. Don't go back.
But why have you taken this thing too serious?
Because you're my friend.
If I go back, that's it.
Nah, Aroma, Pobi Aroma.
But I don't understand why you're putting our friendship on the line.
Man, no, Ben, me child said, don't go back. Don't go back. Co relationship at the Papa Bear Pan when you're free. Then when you one for a car, my mommy, just come and mamma.
But he showed me love.
Love, baby. He showed me love. And then you're happy. Love.
Hey, see ya. So you had all this on your mind and you couldn't speak up. What is your breaking up, Nana?
So when I make this opportunity be there, you can't be my coin.
You could have also told me.
How am I supposed to tell you when you are so in love with him? Never catch him say, see, I don't yet. See, a person in your room and tempted to know. Now when you be a can.
Yeah, I'm not lying though.
I mean, relationship we are come a day. You're great set about for. I mean, the way uncle.
Yeah, me I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me I mean, the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with your Maya. Me person me come
and I need to a problem to bring your cost. Share what I'm from no government. What is car for the daily graphic? Hot up and for big.
The idea
is when it's a day will be asking all this time. A trade dressing, I chop to my say. Now I say what anything. Adi I go yes.
Say,
One night friend karma. Na saying no who's only it. And need ya me no work say, but who's on a break and honor good deal. Ah, said your musity and Caffro was soon it is saying as for man of Ben say. Maybe a flash of sin. Me name some of your man or someone from man, but was soon it is say. Now we saw it to say not no Ben to say I had them from
Karma. What's a karma so break?
Oh, Befina no.
Or Befi and answer what fake.
Oh, Befina, I saw Befi. Oh, Befin quantity I saw what fake.
No, karma, no, break or feel breaker.
Sister, and yes, will be not catching you. Me many things.
Karma.
Many. Sister, I am a ya. As I want to mean you open will be a sick.
It's come a bit near, you say.
Mean you open will be a sick. How?
Hammy. Then it's not a karma, yes, sir.
I say, will be a one in the one answer, or yes, sir.
Men can't say many no. And it's not a karma, yes, sir.
Hey, Ratty, I saw. Look, I see you.
I am a young.
I got to an MBM shimmy. We got to start almost in our now. As anyway, in the first time, we have to also bear me, how many cabes.
There's nothing then all Babby catch me say, come and break almost 7 or
nothing said they are normal, but I feel no confirm some date.
Men confirm me, Bibi.
I know say how. Monday into one anyway, and then they may have one kind of as some Nakasa or 1 year. Some moon to them on midnight. Oh, there are many issue Nakasa, but some moon day to the end of my me and say they are moon dating, maybe catch on, but as some Nakasa Pote, Nakasa, me, I was a mechanic.
Oh, they can't send the tree, me, it's no.
It's a more chain plan because I'm on chain plan, they won't have them.
I
Confirm.
Inti who can say Inti asembe ne oho
Obugina ayi wonko si be ni side ono o se bia kesi bi si wo
ai me who say bia no
bia na sina
so mo guso do mo guso oho
kama wo ni nika
Opoku me so mo guso oho ana
sisi are minim but me sure say sisi are mfi wo ba nti me sure so mo da so kama wo ni nika o and I can't box out one. And I break a nonsense of the oil. And I break a new one, you see, I come at you. And I come out around the box.
What face you say?
Oh, I see. For the meeting.
Oh, who?
Ama hume. No, I am a yak. But today, some much I was sick, no possible girl, Jack. So,
no, who you also with the Conach, with your trace, no,
never pray.
From a copy, no,
we are catching a jar to fear more. Nazo Nipanin Kobina won't pass any of fear in a version. Ah, made a 7 minutes on car. It's only nature brown. I am a habit.
Maxime, that's why.
I said that
mean to me, many 50, I mean, yes, can go, I mean, two provisions. Let's talk about my girl, who we are. Hey, what's the matter? That's why. Hey.
And I want why not yet. Auto provisions money now. I don't know. I drink cricket too much. When you cricket, I can imagine cut too much. The first I see near the floor, near the floor, near the it's a children say, near the afternoon. We are dang the won't be our fiaba. We are dang the cat.
Aroma, why do you do that?
What did I do?
I've told you that everything is over. Why do you have to be telling people? Don't you have any self-respect? Me, I wouldn't tell anybody. I'm the one supposed to be spreading things, but you are rather telling people. Why?
Why? Why are you talking to me in this manner?
The
Why?
person you even told to come and advise me was rather telling me you were a bad person. Seer! You told Seer that we've broken up and then she should come and talk to me about it. No one himself will catch Mama Matthias or what? I've already told you that I am already strict on my decision. There is no way I'm going back.
Wait, Canon. Listen. You mean to tell me that Seer came and he didn't say anything good about me to you?
No. She was even saying things that I wasn't even aware of.
Like,
Telling me you are not good, and then it might be a bet and all that. There are so many things that she said I don't have to tell you. You know,
it might be a bet.
you won't understand.
Cunningham,
Aroma,
listen.
you won't understand.
Listen.
But please, I won't listen to anything.
Cunningham.
Don't be spreading it.
Cunningham,
I just want to just write my exam and leave the school in peace.
Cunningham, listen. I don't like the fact that I'm going around telling people my problem. But the thing is, I want you back, please.
And I won't come back. You have told me and I said no. So why do you have to be telling people about it?
Cunningham, why?
Let Seer be the last person you are telling. Let Seer be the last person you are telling. I'm begging you, please.
Alright, I've heard you. Mom.
Because I don't want people to be mentioning my name. Why?
Listen, what do you want me to do? Can you just tell me? Just mention it. What should I do to gain your trust and your love back?
You will not gain it back. We just have to make this thing peaceful.
So listen, all this while you were using me. Cunning.
Nobody was using it. We were both using each other.
I wasn't using you. Cunning.
Aroma.
I wasn't using you.
Okay, sure. I was the one using you. I've accepted it. I used you. I don't know what did I get from you that you're saying I used you. We use each other, but if you want to understand that the little that I used of you, I've used you. Okay? If that will make your ego high for you to leave me and get someone
Listen
else,
to me. Let me tell you
that'll be
something.
fine. I used you and I want to go. I am
nothing is going to make me.
You
shouldn't go again.
Hold me. I say you hurt me whenever you hold me. Don't hold me. Oh. That is why I wanted to talk to you. You know, I've told you that. Into my friend on say I'm coming to give you a positive. No, please don't go about telling people our business. There is no our business. My business.
I'm going to hang myself.
Hang. Bye.
Going to. Okay. By this time, we're dining hall, right?
Hey, baby.
And then why you baby no? Baby no why?
Oh,
hear me say baby won.
Venice.
You don't come and shoe any so. Hear me say baby won.
Venice, calm down.
And then I met it no.
Venice.
Huh?
Why are you talking to me like that?
And then I met it no.
What are you hearing? Calm down and talk to me.
Then I call me any moon.
There's nothing going on.
Venice!
Did you just slap me?
I kissed you. Are you
Venice!
mad? And said the meeting I said no crow. Only Britain did not say you are kissing now or you like one of now.
What? Who told you all this, Venice? Who told you all this?
Yeah, you never fool. So what? Who desire anything I would do for yourself?
Oh, Venice, calm down and talk to me. Stop what you're doing.
Calm down.
Calm down and talk to me, Venice. What is that?
And
I'm telling you, there is nothing going on between me and Venice. Me and Brita, sorry. Who told you all these, Venice? Who told you all this? Venice, Opoku. Opoku. You are taking Opoku's words over mine. So because of Opoku, you slapped me. Venice. I did it. Venice, I don't know what you are talking about. Like, I don't get you. What's truth? What's truth? What do you want to hear? Tell me. What do you want to hear? There is nothing going on between Brita and I. Why will you listen to Opoku? Huh?
Like seriously,
tell me. You are listening to Opoku. Wait. Venice, I'm coming back from the canteen. I was famished. I had to go and get something to eat. I'm not lying to you. Why will I lie to you, Venice? Calm down and talk to me. So you slapped me because of what Opoku told you.
So Opoku the Robe can be in
Venice. Don't you know Opoku? Huh? Don't you know Opoku? We are all in this school. You know Opoku just as much as I do. And Opoku is telling you this and you are taking it, Venice. What do you take me for? This girl, she slapped me.
And they said the old pay I made them can't try and say me near chimp now. And I mean, say no intina when a breath up a son in me.
Then what did you told Opoku what?
I'm gonna say me near chimp now.
Venice. Oh,
a day.
How can you be this dumb, Venice?
Who is dumb? You are dumb. It's not your boyfriend for a number of more chimpano.
There is nothing going on like that between Britta and I. Dennis, oh, listen to me.
Then I will can
Why will you listen to Opoku? Oh, and you slapped me because of that. And you have told him that we are dating as well.
Maka be a channel, Maka and say me to provisions in our mount.
Hey, Dennis! Dennis, you've disgraced me. You in front of Opoku, no less. In front of Opoku. Dennis, see, listen to me. There's nothing going on between Britta and I. Huh? And then you've told Opoku all this. And then you slapped me. Dennis, see, let this be the first and last time you do that. You will stretch your hands on me. Do you hear me? Dennis, if you do that ever, it's over between you and I. It is over between you and I if you do that. Dennis, there is nothing going on between Britta and I. So if you find out the truth and you come back to me to act all holier than thou, there you will see who I am.
I'm sorry. Come on, I said I'm sorry. Dear. Don't say Jimmy Sash when you saw a bit safe when you saw consent.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months I drum meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso drum meya. Me pesa me come any months we meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. So Jehovah, hello, I see thy name.
And then I'll show you. Now, so one bone. Obia ushe mas yen fa pen ne paper ent na won calculate. Ah? Mas pa na o kindness ano. Me ni so obia tena se akan mas that side nko a. No wonder say wa bone.
Stubborn is aden.
Me aden wo bisa me se me aden. Hey, o me bo e dey na ekoso ni ka mantem.
Why?
Me kasa na nsuo njina menum. E dey na ekoso ni ka mantem.
Additional information.
Hey, me kasa me say dey na ekoso ni ka mantem. Me kasa o dey hu se me ejimi fu ana.
Sure ya obisa me dey. Bisi dey my answer.
So o te dey me bisa o dey.
Oh. Stubborn is nyesa. It's simple say me respect you so.
E o se me dey ago me say dey na ekoso wo ni ka ma entem sister. Won kasa.
Upese o mu dey o me.
Ai dey na ekoso me enu ntem.
Me ni me Trump na.
O se dey.
You date.
Wa wuti o ni ka ma date wo. Ah wo ye hwan. Wo be school mu a wo sem bebre yen kiwe enda wo ni we o china wo ni we yen ka wo sem miye. O sa ni hwan date ka ma. Ah kama no hu ni da be oni ne date.
Pese mi chirim.
Chirim.
Some kasa mi chirim e be ha wan kasa wo.
Me ba wo ba school ma da be ya wo shi aka ma oni kama ne date.
Me kama sha se na wo no hu.
Wo ye misre.
Me mas na mi usia ni ntina se ene no wo bo mu cha me pese mo ya. Me
hu kama na me hu kama.
Na wo no.
Na wo kama be school na why didn't kwa so be school mu ade.
Enu ntina me pese me ma wo hu se minim na nsa na wo ne wo be twempnanti. Sister, when you have been out with women, I won't use you.
What's why they?
Why use you?
And you know use you. Because when I say now, but one for who see baby, on pill.
Stay for so I am to my come. And you will ma millionaire. We sorry like now, Toman, me not the premium.
What's the day?
The same millionaire was sorry like now, Toman provisions, me not the premium.
Hey!
But me cry then on Miss Man is on the country. Me conflicts, me pill.
Just a me pina me cognac can I to top provisions be go and I come and the abroad.
Sister, conflicts.
Say it's one of your answer provisions then the brown.
No, the brand conflict.
Hey,
Tom baby. Why?
Oh no, they come and bring them a drum the bedroom. Me come provisions on the brow.
What the brand? I show.
Sister.
You do me come dear. You know, I'm not about them. That's what I'm about.
Additional
Yeah, me
information.
back when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months with your me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray let I rule for.
Hey, come on here. Timmy Nancy ban want to say Obiba. One day, baby. Ah? Baby, na just a me won't miss me a Jimmy phone. What for me, Jimmy for? Oh,
Dennis, why? What's wrong?
what for me, say Jimmy for? Anna, Debbie.
No. Why would you think that?
Who be some dear why? Maybe bitch now when he be said, dear, no one in Britain, to catch me said Debbie. One can't try me said Debbie.
Dennis, calm down for me. Oh,
Britain, no, could be son, why? My could be son said, dear, no, cause I catch me so in a chimp now.
Britta.
And you can't so dinner because I can't crib ya tremmy.
Britta said what? What's Britta said? Britta said what?
Or some me and more chimp now. Ain't any kind so dinner, what can be a tremmy.
See.
The Okosu Mutemia, what can't tremmy.
Calm down and listen to me, Dennis. Oh.
No be boo Jimmy Kwan ka calm me down.
Dennis, if you don't listen to my part, how will you understand what? Oh, Dennis, see, it's not what you think. Okay, it's not what you think. Britta, you see, she's just dumb like her brother.
Oh.
So sometimes she comes to me to study. That's just it. Maybe she's getting the wrong idea and the implication that I like her or something. But there is nothing going on between Britta and I. I told you that the last time. Huh? Why?
Girl, no, Jimmy saw back at me some me and come back.
Oh God.
Huh?
How did you go to her? How was it? How was the conversation? Did you go there angry?
I didn't know something in the could be son said in a costume.
But were you angry when you went there?
I didn't know you can say buffo.
So maybe she was also angry and then she replied you some way that you would probably get angry at me.
But saying no class uncle no song country me say.
Venice, people are trying to separate us.
Who?
Don't believe
Who's trying to separate us? Who?
Venice.
Una Jimmy, una Ogun, when mass and who is trying to separate us?
Venice, are you insulting me?
Who?
Don't insult
Come
me.
on, what's me for me Jimmy for? Means me in number bonty, we mean Brema and Fam Roma wound you.
Venice, calm down.
And I'm a catching to me for me Jimmy for. And also I just say.
Calm down, Venice. Oh, so like Venice, if you find something like that, won't you ask me and then I'll explain myself to you? Perhaps you would understand what I'm trying to tell you.
Maybe so answer question answer Ben or the mommy. Maybe so question answer Ben or the mommy.
Venice, you are using Bronya to insult me, pal.
Someone can answer same be and me.
Venice, like, listen to me. It's not what you think, okay?
It's Bibi Koso.
No. It's not like what
Kama.
you... It's not like what you...
First and last, me they want me
Venice, it's not like what you think.
First and last, me pay the only me know.
Venice, I love you. You know that I love you. It's you that I want. Nobody else, Venice. Oh.
Una minim de me hu ama me do echi because minim ebia me na me jimi anase wo na we jimi.
Don't say that. Venice, don't say that. See. Venice, give me your hand. Look at me. Let me explain to you some things, eh? Won't you listen to me? Huh?
Una mi do echi obe waste me time ababa.
Venice.
Se hunu na e na maka show first and last no. O first and last no means me nenam fa mi sika hwe ma wo mbe jimi ntwem wate.
Venice.
What dey make her show no?
Are you going wrong? Venice. Oh, Venice.
Me know dey.
Are you telling people that Venice? Venice.
Actually, na jina nchana nikasema.
Aseme.
Ye cake no.
Okay, kibe.
My birthday cake na. Me birthday me de.
Jolofina.
Abanko ni tuma minka se.
Jolofina. Dem krem roshi kra. Se ba chom je birthday no baby. Em ye twitwa cake no. Em se wo TV di. Obi ansrew se be ti cake di. E na wo hwemu ye susu a ye up. Yenka we are against ourselves. Yeah, thankful. Tia dentina ho na ma out opportunity ma August no say you cake ni bidi. For your information, ya basi ye beji cake.
Banko ni to cake ni kanin na 4 million.
Cake full ni na. Ana de ono kwa part no. ono kwa part no 4 million me ba cho wo kwa part no 4 million nti ba cho you see that so be provide cake no and as all this can be ba simple as state and nothing about
cake ni me die wie
sister any oboa
me die wie
na nti hu ska wai
who ska wai
why na say hu say the cake no
why na di cake ni bi wo ho no ma wakoji ska wo no na ada mo amudi ene mo asem woni ye pese obedi bi
ya dofo
mo asem nti obedi
cake ni etwitwa ma ya dofo ye ntwitwa ma ya tamfo
me dia me du mutimi nya mhim
sister any oboa any oboa obetua wallahi obetua
beje
empre ye tu empre
enti amu etu mere
tua sika no ansa no wa hye abufuo Jolofina
bankunito
Jolofina
wachinina ye cake
wachelina se hwan wachelina fa ye cake mai anasa fa sika mai
eni e bankunito mini bi ma why mini bi
awusu ya chana
anti wan e ba ma mesunu wana
what you be cake fani pani cake ni wan so so ana Jolofina de make
no mini bi media medi
ana sister abe fi o
na fi
obe fi cake re obe fi cake ni mo abe wani na so obe fi wan e kwa washroom wo
mko
sister cake ni wai
beji
na aptere cake ni wai
oh piano no mra
empiam tu piano mi cake ni me dia
no Jolofina
cake ni wai say cake ni wai
beji
wa akra na kasi bedi cake wa na kasi birthday party da se
bedi
nya tre cake ni me dia awo pipa na wo ma woni na kasi wa me dia cake ni wai ubenya ma yeda ba ubenya nyene ubenya ma yeda ba
share
last 1.5
ni pa won kasi ubetia on so pre last jollof ubenya ma yeda ba cake
no na ka chenu mintua mini
ene awbo hwe ene obibira empire se wuntua de ene obibira empire
bibira me ba
Jolofina
bankunito
unim de metimi ye kama kuma to yem titidem empre kra yem roshi uri titidem so ntua cake ne ka ye be ni bibia twaka uri empre so ntua ya te
bibira
ana me say so ntua
bra na beji ni cake si
na cake ne me dia
no kasi ya meji
e bi me na me tawachi o e mo kasi me ba magic kasa ni na afa
ha maji anka me
me na me bo chi don se ba se ntokwa de ana me makwa ma
enti tokwa ni dubre
ukasa mo anu nya den o to ne sa no mabo Jolofina
bankunito minti
sister obe odi cake ne baba
bra beji na
me se odi cake ne baba
bra na beji na kasa asem ne
odi cake me fia me bi ma